Best motivational and inspirational thoughts, quotes to change your life. Just follow one for today. 1. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world. 2. Happiness is not the absence of problems, it's the ability to deal with them. 3. Never argue with people who believe their own lies. 4. Make sure all the words that come out from your mouth live up to and reflects to your behavior, actions, promises and commitment. 5. Let them hate, just make sure they spell your name right. 6. The reason that most people don't is because they don't realize that they can. 7. Knowing the art of knowledge. Know how to ignore. No limit. 8. Inner peace begins the moments you choose not to allow another person or event to control your emotions. 9. God is my strength and power. 10. It's never too late to make a fresh start with God. 11. Be like the sky, own even the thunder with pride. 12. Don't judge. You don't know what storm someone has just walked through. 13. All the problems are stuck between mind and matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. 14. Distance doesn't separate people, doubt does, misunderstanding does. 15. I need to practice social distancing from the refrigerator. Thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos like this, please subscribe and click on bell button and comments your suggestion. Don't forget to visit description box to learn and earn more money just by visiting the links give one end below. Please visit the links. Please like and share video with your friends and family. Earn money just being member of PFI Group. PFI Plan for It annually by sending your details on planforit22@gmail.com.